All right, so this is the problems for A9, and I will just make sure that you understand how to do them. It's multiple choice, so when you look at the multiple choices, you'll notice that A is 3, A is -3, A is -3, and A is +3. So it's 3 for sure, we just want to know if it's positive or negative. And when you look at the parabola, you see how it's opening down, the arrows are going down, so that means that it's going to be negative. Automatically, that means that this is gone, that one is gone. Only this negative one and that negative one can be the choices. All right, so then now, what's the vertex? The vertex is +3, -4. So I'm going to write it down over here for show, not because I need to plot it or anything. It's just so I have something to write. And so when you write the vertex form, you have to change the sign on the first one and keep the sign on the second one. So inside the parentheses, it'll say x minus 3, right? X minus 3 squared, because we know it's going to be one of these two negative ones. Either this one or that one. And it's -4. We keep the sign of the second one. So change the first, keep the second one. There you go. So then that one should be the answer. Hope you're listening. All right, so when looking at this one, all right, this one opens down, so we know your A value is going to be negative. Okay. So automatically you can see this is a positive 0.2, so that's not going to be an answer choice. It's also a positive 0.2, not an answer choice. It's going to be one of those two. Okay. So the vertex is, remember you go from the origin, -3, +3. All right, when writing vertex form, remember the first number is going to go into the parentheses and it's going to have an opposite sign. In the vertex form, you will see a positive number, right? Like this one right here, x +3. And then the second number, you keep the sign to be +3, and it is +3 over here. Okay, this one opens up, so it should be positive. Now, when you look at all of your A values, all of them are a +2, +2, 2, and 2. Now let's look at the vertex. The vertex is the one that's going to tell the difference, okay? You start at the origin. You go over 2, so -2, and then +5. I'm going to write this down. 2, +5. So when we look at for vertex form, you're looking for something that says x +2 inside the parentheses and +5 at the end for the constant. Okay, so this one says x +2 and +5 on the outside. Is there another one? This one says +2, but it says -5, okay? So that's not the answer, it's gonna be this one. You change the sign on the first one and you keep the sign of the other one. All right, I hope that was good enough.